Hello guys, welcome to Wow Seeking. The topic of today's video is nursery. A nursery is a room for your kid. So in today's lesson, we are looking at the vocabulary to do with babies. Watch this video if perhaps you are planning a trip to the USA and you have a little one, or if you are preparing for an IELTS speaking test and you want to speak about children. So let's get after it. Number 1. Baby or infant or newborn. A very young child. We usually use this to describe children who have not yet started to walk. To describe a very young child in the first few days or week. We can also say a newborn infant or just a newborn. Number 2. Mobile. A hanging toy that is attached to a baby's crib. They can soothe a baby, make the baby calm and sleep, or give the baby something interesting to see. Number 3. Pacifier. A small plastic object with a rubber top to put in a baby's mouth that soothes and calms them when they suck on it. Number 4. High chair. A tall chair with a table attached that make it easier for parents to feed the baby. Number 5. Bib. A cloth or plastic cover that ties around the neck and is worn to protect a baby's clothes. Number 6. Rattle. A toy that makes noise when someone shakes it. Number 7. Bootie. A short and thick knitted sock that keeps a baby foot warm. Number 8. Infant bodysuit. Onesie. Clothing that covers the chest and bottom and it's fastened underneath with snaps or buckles and make it easy to change a baby's diaper. Number 9. Stroller. A small chair with wheels that is used to push a baby or child around. It can be folded up and down so the baby is sitting or lying down. Number 10. Crib. A small bed for babies that has high slotted sides so a baby will not fall out. Number 11. Playpen. A small piece of furniture to keep a baby in a place so they can't harm themselves or run away. Number 12. Cradle or cot. A cradle is a small bed for a newly born baby that rocks. It is also sometimes called a cot. Number 13. Bouncer. A bouncer is a great toy for a baby. It has a seat for a baby to sit in and hangs from the ceiling so that the baby can bounce up and down. Number 14. Potty chair. A potty chair is the name for a small portable toilet for a young child to learn how to use the toilet. Number 15. Teething ring. Babies are often in pain when they have new teeth coming in. A teething ring is a special toy that a baby can chew on to help them with the pain of their new teeth. Number 16. Baby carrier. A baby carrier is a special object that attaches to the dad or mom and allows them to carry the baby without using his or her hands. Number 17. Swaddle. It is a cloth wrapped around a newborn child to restrain its movement. Swaddling protects your baby against your natural startle reflex, which means better sleep for both of you. It may help calm a colicky baby. Number 18. Bassinet. A bassinet is a small cozy sleeping space meant for a newborn or baby, usually younger than 6 months old. It's often oval-shaped and may have a hood, handle or wheels to roll around the house. Number 19. Toddler. 1 to 3 years old baby are called toddler. and 3 to 5 years old baby called preschooler. Number 20. Formula. Formula is an artificial milk for feeding to babies or infants instead of mother's milk. Thank you so much guys for watching this video up to the very end, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe the channel and hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!